Basic moves, no shoe tricks. Just basic moves. All I wanna do is talk about that. Get it like insect in my hands. Kid, oh, pop, pop, get in there, Slim. Come on. Wavy boy pop. Watch it, Goya, watch it. Kid Pat, where you at? Where you at?
Real tap,
Let's go, yeah. Get it like. Get it like. Get it like. I fucks with you, Pat. I love you, Pat. I fucks with Pat. Shoulders, shoulder high shoulders. Shoulders, shoulder high shoulders. Oh, y'all violating. J Smoke, J Smoke, no more violence.
I'm not a part of this. I'm not a part of this. Some shady brotherhood. I'm not a part of this. No.
Go ahead. The lock says, who the fuck cares if we violate? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I get it like. Kid Pat, where you at? Pop. Alright, get in there.
Yo, it's over, my nigga. It's over. Shout out to my brother.
Shout out to the two real boy niggas.
Urban Legends, you already know.
Shout out to Urban Legends.
What?
Urban Legends.
Alright.
Shout out to Urban Legends. Dope. His team definitely doing their thing. Yo, everybody getting a shout out. Shout out to Kid Pat.
Two boys started fuck up. Even couldn't even let's go, baby. Oh, nah. Sorry, fuck up, man. Too real. Too real. Too real, kids. You ready? That's your old family. You can't even go there. That's your family.
Why you going there, boy? I'm letting you rock. Get out of here.
Fuck on the mouth.
He ain't even say nothing. You wildin', Doc. Sit down. That's it. Sit him down.
Go down. I have to say one more thing. Can I even one?
Yo, if you got any problems with anybody, I don't care. Say it right now. This is it.
Look at me. Say who?
Who you want to battle? Let out. If you could choose one person to battle, who would it be? Who would it be?
I want to battle Slim Shady.
Oh shit.
I want to battle Crybaby. I want to battle Slim Shady and Slim Shady. Brotherhood.
That's it?
Nah. Brotherhood.
That's it.
Wait. Brotherhood. No, not Brotherhood. Make it Too Real.
Shout out to the Too Real fam.
Shout out to Too Real. Too Real boys, man.
Too Real boys.
Shout out to Too Real. Shout out to Thank you.
Urban Legends, get in there. Shout out to Urban Legends. Get in there. 3 teams doing it up.
Urban Legend killer.
3 teams doing it up.
Urban Legends. We don't get dogs, man. We crump on y'all all day. We don't get them. My D is cold like good.
Yo, can I get a kiss?
Look at me, you're down. Can I ask something? My boy locked up.
I'm saying this lock star. You already know I ain't gonna shout no team, cause I does me. You dig?
Wait, how y'all getting dark tonight? How y'all getting dark?
Doc like Slim Shady, go y'all beat J Smooth.
J Smooth, yeah, brother fucking Hud.